Girl, you bad and you know it. That's that black magic.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys are watching Cam, aka Curls with Cam. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today I'm going to be showing you guys another style that can be achieved using the Betterlength clip-ins, of course. Super excited. I've already used them once and I loved my results, so now I'm trying them out with a different style to put a little twist on them. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then keep watching and let's get started. Alright you guys, so starting off, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. Originally, I was going to do this style with two space buns at the top and then the rest down. So kind of like a half up, half down, but the other half up would be two space buns instead of one. But as this hairstyle got a little bit more complicated, I decided to just do the cute route that I know for a fact would turn out really cute. So I ended up doing one bun. But anyways, so yeah, I started off by parting my hair how it's supposed to be. Started off with just a little bit of hair hanging down at the bottom, and I used the Curls Sculpting Gel, I believe that's what it's called. So yeah, I actually love this stuff. This was my first time using it, and it was actually perfect for these clip-ins, and I love the definition that it gave my hair. So that actually helped a lot with blending. And as you guys know, I'm using the Betterlength clip-ins, hair for black women. If you didn't know, now you know. Go follow them on Instagram at Betterlength. So these clip-ins are really, really amazing. If you haven't seen my last video, then you don't know. So make sure you guys go check out my last video for all the tea on these amazing clip-ins. So I did spray the clip-ins with water, and then after that I went in with the Curl Sculpting Gel also on the clip-ins. Just to make sure that the blending was there, just to make sure the curl patterns matched, and just to make sure that those curls were popping, of course. Also, as I stated in my last video, I do use the dimming brush just to bring the pop out of both my curls and the clip-ins, and then I also use the dimming brush because it helps with blending. If y'all can't tell, like, it makes blending these clip-ins like 30 times easier. It just makes my life so much easier, and I absolutely love it. But yeah, so y'all already know the process. I'm just gonna continue taking a little bit more hair down. I part it like this so it has a natural part. It really doesn't have to be perfect parts, you guys. So I just part it like this, and then after it's parted, I of course sprayed the clip-ins, and then I apply the sculpting gel, and I just continue doing that for both my real hair and also the clip-ins. As you guys can see, when I apply the sculpting gel, I make sure to rake it through with my fingers before going in with the dimming brush, and this is just to make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout my real hair and also the clip-ins. y'all see like how well my real hair is blending with these clip-ins? Like, yes, y'all. Like, this is just, I think I found my method, y'all. Like, I found my method when using clip-ins. 100%. I found my method. So as the final step, well, for the down part of my half down look, the final step is just me blending my real hair on top of the clip-ins, which wasn't difficult at all. The only thing is I just had to wet it and make sure that the sculpting gel was evenly distributed, so that way it didn't look too much like, you know, it wasn't blended. But I did tuck it behind my ear and add some bobby pins to give it a more natural look, a natural feel. But yeah, that part wasn't hard at all. So now I'm just applying some gel to the up part of my half up, half down, and getting ready to add the clip-ins into my bun. Alright, and for the final step, you guys will see me braiding up my ponytail. This is just to make it easier to clip on a 4-width, I guess, track onto my hair. So out of the 4 widths that were on this one, I only used about 2 just to make sure that they were secure on the braided ponytail. And then I just kind of twisted it and wrapped it into a top knot and added a little hair tie for some security, just to make sure it wasn't going anywhere. And you guys can already kind of see here how full this look is, and I didn't even use all 10 clip-ins, y'all, and my hair is super duper full. You can of course add more if you want a little bit more volume and a little bit more, you know, thickness going on, but for me, I like to keep it simple. So I only used maybe like 6 out of the 10 clip-ins, so I used most of them for this style. This is just a really easy and simple style you guys can do if you're on the go, if you can't think of anything and you need something quick, whatever the case may be, or even if you're just trying to pop out and look cute. So yeah, for the final step, I'm just blending my real hair into the clip-ins, making sure I didn't miss anything, laying a little bit more edges, and yeah, that's it. I'm just finishing off this look, and that concludes how to get this cute half up, half down style. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in purchasing these clip-ins, remember that this is only one bundle that includes 10 clip-ins total. All of the information will be located down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video.